What up, YouTube? Today we're gonna be cutting the remainder of the chassis off of this bumper. As you can see, where we cut the edges off, we just gotta put the grinder in here, and then we're gonna tack it up on the Ranger. What we ended up doing is hitting it with the flap wheel all around, and now we're gonna hit it with the chisel. So now that we pushed both pieces of the chassis off, we're gonna hit it with the cutoff wheel on both sides to clean it up a bit, and then we're gonna tack it onto the truck. We ended up taking out these 2 bolts, and we're gonna take out 2 more, and then jack up the bed a bit so we could try to slide in the bumper through this little gap right here. Ran into the problem with this metal piece. The bumper hits right here in this middle part, so we're just gonna cut off these 2 rivets on top and this one down here on both sides. There's 6 in total, and then we're just gonna hammer this piece out. So now we have it all tacked in place. We just did 4 tacks just to hold it in place, and now we're gonna burn them in. So the angle on the bumper is not how it used to be, because it had this truck had a 2 or 3 inch spacers between the chassis and the bed. Alright, so we just finished burning the sides in. This side, and we just still got to do the insides. This is how it's looking so far. I think it's pretty good. But it's getting pretty late, so we're gonna finish trying to burn this in from the inside. And then we have the rack. This is the rack which we're gonna use for the spare tire. So that's gonna bolt up to the bumper in the back, and then these bolt up to the side to stiffen up the sides a bit. Finally got around to working on this truck, because it's been a while since we've done anything to it. As you can see, it's dusty, you know, but looking pretty good. We gotta set the motor in. These are the motor mounts with the polyurethane inside. The budget solid motor mounts. Then we did put the bucket seats in. I don't know if I showed you guys in another video, but this is how it looks, and it has the stock brackets, so they do go forward and back, which I think is pretty cool. Then we got to work on the dash, and I think we're gonna put the steering column in next, and also work on the clutch pedal, because the Mustang has a cable and the Ranger has a hydraulic one. But that's the inside, the interior. Got to replace the speakers, old crusty speakers. The tweeters work pretty good, but we got to redo all that. And then we have the power windows with power locks that are gonna go on this truck, so we won't have the manual windows anymore. We're done burning on the bumper. We just gotta put this bracket in. So that's pretty much how the spare is gonna sit back here. And then we have the Y strap also. There's a bolt that goes here, and here and here. And then once the tire's on there, we just ratchet strap it. So hope you guys like the short little video. I'm getting some work done on the Ranger. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one.